Hey there, it's me, Lottie, and today what we're gonna do, this is completely impromptu because I got something to unbox. Chelsea Green got me, y'all. Chelsea Green got me. Chelsea Green Publishing is a book site online, and they specialize in everything that Lottie wants. I mean, they have books on homesteading, cooking, herbalism, just like sort of, I don't know, I don't want to say alternative books, like what does that even mean? But just they have a lot of things that I'm interested in: fermentation, animal husbandry. I mean, they just have a wide variety of books that are of appeal. You should check them out. So anyway, I went on and I've been wanting to order from them for a while, and I kept talking myself out of it just because, Lottie, you have a lot of books. Oh, packaging, right? But they got me. They got me with one word: sale. The other word was free shipping on orders of $100 or more. I'm just like weak like that. I haven't ordered any books in a long time. And you know what? They're all things that I'm going to use and utilize, I think, in my life. So I decided to do a little unboxing with you. Let me get some scissors here so I can get it open. I've been wanting to order from them for so long. I have my eyes on a few more things too, but in this case, they had a sale on food books. You know, I was like, what? Like, I think 25 or 35% off all food related books. So I got some things that I had been wanting to get that have been on my wish list for a long time. I'm so excited. Okay, the first one out the box. Oh yeah. Oh yes. Pascal Bowder. The Wild. What's it called? The Wild Crafting Brewer. If you have not checked out this Instagram, you should. If you're into fermentation, if you're into foraging, if you're into wild food, these, I mean, first of all, everything always looks amazingly delicious and plated so beautifully. I have been wanting these books for a long time. So I went on and got them. This is The Wild Crafted Brewer, creating unique drinks and boozy concoctions from nature's ingredients, primitive beers, country wines, herbal meads, natural sodas, and more. Oh, I'm excited! And to go along with that, I got Wild Crafted Fermentation. Exploring, transforming, and preserving the wild flavors of your local terroir. Terroir? Okay, Pascal, give me them words I don't know. Wild krauts and kimchis, fermented forest brews, seawater brines, plant-based cheeses, and more. This is going to take my game to the next level. I'm sure I'll have to study these for quite a while before, you know, I know what I'm doing. But very inspired by them. And I got one more in that series because there are 3. This one was a hardcover. Ooh, hunty. The new Wild Crafted Cuisine. Exploring the exotic gastronomy of local terroir, again, that word terroir, with detailed recipes for ferments, infusions, spices, and other preparations. Oh, this is happy birthday, happy Kwanzaa, Merry Christmas, all the things for me. This series, these 3 books. I have been waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting to get these. And like I said, I got them with, I think it was 35% off plus no shipping. To me, that's fine. I'm happy. I'm happy with that. What else did I get? Okay. Oh yes. This one I'm looking forward to. Chanterelle Dreams, Amanita Nightmares. The love, lore, and mystique of mushrooms. It says it's a passionate guided tour of an unseen world. I have really been getting into foraging for mushrooms, and it is a whole new world, right? As with all things that you know absolutely nothing about. So I am excited to learn more about mushrooms with this book. Isn't that a great cover? I think it's delicious looking. It's lovely. This one I got, as you can see, there's sort of a theme here. Fermentation as Metaphor by Sandor Elix Katz. Oh, I should have said this book here is by Greg A. Marley. Sorry, I didn't give the author. Fermentation as Metaphor by Sandor Elix Katz. Now, I have another book by this person. I think it is, at least I think I do. Yeah, Wild Fermentation, which I'll have to do a shelf life review on. I need to use it more. See, Lottie be buying books and then they just sit on her shelf because Lottie likes books. Anyway, this says, in Fermentation as Metaphor, Sandor Elix Katz, best-selling author and James Beard Award winner, meditates on his unique art and work, drawing fascinating connections between microbial communities and aspects of human culture, politics, religion, social and cultural movements, art, music, sexuality, identity, and even our individual thoughts and feelings. First of all, the artist in me is happy with this book. It is beautiful. Haven't even opened it yet. And I already know. So we'll see. I'll do a review, or it's not really a review. I'll share it once I've read it. Then the last thing I got was something that I thought would be interesting. I love, there's no surprise that I love food writing, and I'm trying to learn more about food writers and to do more food writing. So this just seemed interesting. I don't know anything about this person, but it seemed very interesting. It's called Fasting and Feasting: The Life of Visionary Food Writer Patience Gray by Adam Fetterman. It says it won a New York Times Notable Book for 2017, finalist for the Los Angeles Times Book Prize, Vermont Book Award, Adirondack Literary Award, and Readable Feast Award. And it is a biography, which I love biographies too. Memoir, that kind of thing. I guess I just like reading about people. So this just sounded really interesting. So again, once I take a read and, see what I think, I'll do a video, a little review or share about this book here. Fasting and Feasting: The Life of Visionary Food Writer Patience Gray. So that is my little haul for the day. I am so excited, okay? All of these look fabulous, and I can't wait to start reading them. I hope that you are having a great Saturday or weekend or weeknight, whenever you might be watching this. I hope that you're safe and healthy, and that I will see you in the next video. And until then, take care.